And we're back. It's the final segment of the Health and Wellness Show here for this Saturday morning. So good to have you along. And now we welcome in Steve Perry from RetireEase Senior Services. Good morning, my friend.
Good morning, Gary. Great to be here with you.
Always good to see you. And being radio, people can't really get the good. You've been working out, man?
Yeah. Recently, my wife about 2 months ago got us on this diet. I did it mainly to support her, but it's just kind of like a diet with exercise and stuff. And yeah, it's really worked, man. Down about 22 pounds now.
Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
I feel great. Yeah.
Terrific, man. Good for you.
Yeah, it's going on. We've been doing it pretty steadily. So consistency, I think, is the key.
Yeah, once you get it rolling, it's easy to stick with it. And then once you get out of it, it's hard to get back into it.
Yeah.
Trust me, I
Yeah.
know.
I had to give up a few things. Yeah, but exercise is real important. I really kind of, as we age, I'm really trying to strive to age well up into the,
Got to stay active, man.
Hey, man, 50s, I'll say 50-ish, where, it's a little tougher when you exercise. It's a little easier to gain weight and get out of shape. But what happens when we get to the 75, 80 range? That's kind of what I'm looking out my windshield at my parents and thinking, going, man, do I want to have those limitations when I get there? So trying to do a little preventative really it was the reason my wife and I really started this.
That's a good call.
Yeah,
That's a good
started
call.
doing that. And it's, we help seniors every day. I mean, retirees, we're in-home, non-medical personal care. We come in to help with companionship, chores, activities, meals, laundry, housekeeping. A lot of times we have to come in to help seniors with personal care. So bathing, dressing, toileting, and mobility, help lift them. And I'll tell you, when we go in and we're providing help for companionship, man, that's a lot more enjoyable and fun at times than when we have to go in and take care of somebody who's not made great choices, not done a lot of exercise, and now you're having to physically lift them, move them, help them, and they're struggling as well. And so exercise can be very beneficial. And I wanted to kind of talk a little bit today about activities and exercise for seniors, particularly if they have some limitations or limited mobility. Today we really just focus on what are some of the activities the seniors can do that are help with their mobility and increase, and when they have a limitation. We see a lot of seniors that like to do things like be outside, gardening. For example, just going out and gardening is a fun activity. It's something that brings a real positive sort of emotional effect for most people when they plant something or go see the flowers or water the plants.
See the fruits of your labor.
The fruits of your labor. That really helps them. And so those are activities that we can encourage and we can assist with. People still have a passion, even at an old age, to do some of those hobbies and interests. And if we just resign them to a chair and never let them get out or never let them help them to get out and do those activities, it's just like a, slow death, type thing by 1,000 cuts. So we really want to help seniors get out and engage and enjoy life. It reduces their stress. It keeps the brain sharp. So, part of it is it just got to modify a little bit. Yeah. There's a way they can modify like yoga. We can do chair exercises. There's a number of things that physical therapists will leave at the home. When we come in and put a lot of positivity to it, some rewards, some encouragement, a lot of patience, we get those exercises done.
So it's important from that perspective, but from just the physical perspective and the benefits to the senior.
Right. So there's a lot of things that benefit. Sometimes, it reduces their, like blood pressure. So some people that have like a heart disease, high blood pressure, exercise has a lot of medical benefits to it. I have found that out, as you pointed out, looking at me. But you got to do it consistently. And for seniors, you have to modify it so that, that we're not, and I look at it modifying, and sometimes it's the duration, the time of day. So instead of doing things in the heat of the day where it's hot and, they want to do yard work and gardening all afternoon. Also the intensity. So for us, when we set up that care plan and come in, those are 3 areas that we look at that will have also medical benefits.
Now, you're going to run across those clients who just aren't able to do much physically
all the time.
What's the plan of attack? There,
but we do have a lot of those kind of clients, and they have pets. Pets give a lot of emotional, social support. Cognitively, they give mental exercise. I have to be reminded to feed them, water them, take them out, do those activities. They're great companions, as long as you have one that's not too needy. But if you have a pet, that's another way we can go, hey, how do we turn that pet into good, light exercise. You have to put the exercise and the plan to get that benefit in on a daily, regular basis.
All right. Steve, always good to see you, my friend.
Thanks, Gary.
RetireEase Senior Services. How can folks reach you? And what's that website? Because you got a bunch of great information up there.
Yeah, we'll have all this posted on the website, even in our blog, downloads. It's retireease.com, RetireEase.com. And you can always call us here, 865-5033. That's our phone.
All right. Yeah. Terrific.
Love to help you.
All right. Thank you so much. But RetireEase.com. All the info is right there, Steve. Have yourself a great weekend. We'll see you soon.
Thanks so much, Gary. Great to be here.